Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Town of Port Royal July regular council meeting. Next item of business is a proclamation. First of all, how did I do on timing?
Great.
I was given a kind of a mission on how quickly I could get the proclamation tonight.
Yeah.
I think we beat Charleston?
I think you did.
Okay, good.
Or you're tired at least.
At least tied. All right, very good. So, the Town of Port Royal is celebrating the Gullah Geechee land and living legacy. Whereas the Africans began arriving in the Sea Islands in 1500, and whereas the population of the Africans increased as the chattel enslavement grew in the 1600s, and whereas the Africans began to engage with and in some instances create families with indigenous Americans and in the religion, and whereas the descendants of this group are called the Gullah Geechee, and whereas the group is self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Islands and Low Country of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida to stand on the human rights and self-determination, and whereas the group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas the leader elected installed St. Helena native, whose family's roots are also stemmed from Palawana and Datar Island, Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head Honda Party, I'm going to get it one of these years, and spokesperson for the Gullah Geechee since July 2nd, 2000, and whereas the theme of this year's celebration is the Gullah Geechee land and living legacy, and whereas we support and continue the Gullah Geechee culture, heritage, sustainability, and the Gullah Geechee Nation, I, Joe DeVito, and the Town of Port Royal Council do hereby proclaim July 31, August 7th, Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week, and call upon all citizens to celebrate with the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme of celebrating the Gullah Geechee land and legacy.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done.
I want to get a photo with you. Come on.
Yes, of course.
Sean,
Get right here.
right here, right here. Here you go. Thank you once again. Thank you for all that you do and your commitment.
I appreciate it. Thank you one more again, Town of Port Royal. We're glad to have this year's celebration right here in Beaufort County this year. Yeah, we go kick off the week-long celebration on St. Helena Island. So y'all can take the boat around, y'all can, swim across. I know how you get there, but you can get there close by. We right on. And so Saturday, July 30th, going to be Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation, Gullah Geechee Family Day, launching Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, starting at noon in the St. Helena Park. But there, we call them Wesley Felix.
That's right.
Okay then. And so we go there, so all of the children can come out there, get something good for them, fun, get the music and all that kind of thing, where you dance and shoot like you tell them on your flyer and things like that. And the following Saturday, we're going to be at the Bluffs and Oyster Factory. Same time, noon, so noon to 4. So what we could do is try broke neck and get back here so we can get into the Zydeco music with 100 children there too. So we gonna bring the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival right to the Port Royal with me. I can tell them, pour some of that chin. Don't spend them all in Bluffton, bring some to Port Royal that evening. So thank you one more again, and we're looking forward to truly celebrating this throughout Beaufort County this year. Thank you.
Thank you. Let us know if there's anything we can do to help you.
You can bring over a check, a large check that.
Large in size, not in denomination, right? Oh, in denomination. I want to make sure we clarify.
I can give ACH deposit information tonight.
Okay.
I wanted to say that
Make
in
it
the
as
language
easy
I
as
know you
possible.
understand.
Oh, I
Yes.
do.
Yes, so
Okay.
New York.
Right. Thank you.